4 hidden AI tools that will replace your job, unless you learn them now. Right now, as you watch this video, artificial intelligence is quietly replacing human jobs. Not in the distant future, not in 10 years. Today. But here's the twist. It's not only replacing jobs, it's also creating a new wave of opportunities. The difference, whether you ignore these tools or master them. Stay with me, because
In the next 6 minutes.
we'll uncover 4 hidden AI tools that could replace your job, unless you learn them first. Tool 1. AI copywriters. For decades, copywriters, marketers, and content creators made a living from one skill, writing words that sell. But now, AI copywriting tools are doing in seconds what humans once did in hours. These tools don't just spit out words, they craft ads, emails, blog posts, and entire marketing campaigns, optimized for clicks and conversions. Imagine a company deciding between hiring a $70,000 per year copywriter or paying $70 per month for an AI that works 24/7. Who do you think wins that decision? But here's the hidden opportunity. Smart copywriters don't compete with AI. They collaborate. Instead of writing every word themselves, they use AI to generate drafts, brainstorm ideas, and then add the one thing AI can't: human insight, emotional nuance, and brand voice. The losers? Writers who ignore AI. The winners? Writers who learn to guide it. Tool 2. AI design and video creators. Next up, design and video. Once upon a time, you needed Photoshop, After Effects, or years of skill to make high-quality visuals. Now, AI design tools can create logos, presentations, even polished videos in minutes. Entire marketing teams are being downsized because one person with the right AI tools can now do the work of 5. If your job depends on repetitive design tasks, AI is already circling your career. But again, the opportunity is massive. Wealthy freelancers are not fighting AI. They're charging clients for knowing how to use it. A designer who learns AI becomes faster, cheaper, and more creative. They spend less time pushing pixels, more time guiding vision. The broke habit? Competing against AI. The rich habit? Competing with AI. Tool 3. AI coders. Here's one that terrifies people: coding. For years, programming was considered untouchable, a golden skill. Learn to code and your future was safe. But AI is already writing code faster than junior developers and debugging better than many seniors. Why hire a $100,000 programmer when an AI tool can build a functioning app prototype overnight? But don't panic, because here's the reality. AI still needs humans. It doesn't know what to build. It only knows how to build it. That's where human intelligence comes in. Smart developers aren't resisting AI. They're leveraging it. They let AI handle the grunt work, while they focus on architecture, creativity, and solving complex problems. Coders who resist AI will be replaced. Coders who learn to command AI will replace everyone else. Tool 4. AI business. Operators. The final tool isn't glamorous, but it's quietly replacing assistants, bookkeepers, and even managers. AI business operators can schedule meetings, handle invoices, analyze spreadsheets, write reports, and even manage customer service chats. Think about it. Why hire 3 administrative staff when one AI dashboard can do the same work, cheaper, faster, and without sick days? But again, the winners are those who adapt. Smart entrepreneurs are not waiting for AI to replace employees. They're learning these tools themselves, cutting costs, and scaling businesses faster than ever. The broke worker fears being replaced. The wealthy worker uses AI to replace tasks, so they can focus on vision, strategy, and leadership. Adapt or be replaced. So let's step back. 4 hidden AI tools. 1. AI copywriters. 2. AI design and video creators. 3. AI coders. 4 AI business operators. Ignore them, and you risk being replaced. Learn them, and you make yourself irreplaceable. Because here's the truth. AI is not the enemy. It's a tool that can either take your job or transform your future. The question isn't, will AI replace me? The question is, am I willing to learn what replaces everyone else? Because in the age of AI, the fastest learners will become the future leaders.